First of all, watch this cartoon video which I made in just 5 minutes.
Hey, have you ever wondered how big dreams begin?
I will guide you step by step from the video script to how to make a cartoon video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Step 1. First, you need to open ChatGPT. Here, paste the prompt that you will find in my video description. After pasting it, submit the prompt. Within a few moments, ChatGPT will start writing a cartoon script. As you can see, ChatGPT generates the script scene by scene. Then you need to copy the script for scene 1 from here. Step 2. First, open Google Gemini. After that, paste the prompt we copied earlier into the image generator and submit it. Within a few moments, Gemini will generate images for us. As you can see, the image has been created successfully. Take a look at how it turned out. Step 3. To create a video from the image, first copy the scene script of your video from ChatGPT. After that, open Key AI. Here, click on the Select Photo option and choose your cartoon image. Then, paste the prompt that you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Within a few moments, Grok AI will generate a video for you. As you can see, the video is created like this.
Hey, have you ever wondered how big dreams begin?
In the same way, you need to copy each scene from ChatGPT and create videos using Grok AI. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.